In this video, I will show you how to fix the error on Steam during the installation of the game. After selecting the installation folder of the game, Steam cannot install the game and shows the error Steam library folder is not empty. To fix this error, select Steam at the top of the launcher and then open Settings. Select Storage and click on this icon to specify the installation folder of the game. After that, select Add Drive. Click on this icon and select Let me choose another location. Click on the Add button. Select the drive you want to install the game on. Create a new folder, such as Games. Open this new folder and create a new Steam folder in this folder. These folders that you have created must be empty. After that, select that new Steam folder that you created. In the storage section, you'll see the new installation path to drive D. This is the disk with the games folder we created. After that, close Settings and start installing the game. After clicking on the Install button, you need to select the disk on which you created the new games folder and the Steam folder. In my case, this is disk D. After selecting the disk, click on the Install button. The game will start the installation and the error will disappear. This is how we fix the Steam library folder is not empty error in the Steam launcher. If you open the D drive and open the games folder, then you will see that the game has started installing in this folder. To install the next games, you need to specify the path to the D disk, and the games will be installed in this folder. After installing the game, I launched it. The game started. In this way, you will be able to fix this problem. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.